You should be financially prepared to realize your dreams, whether it's child education, a family vacation, car, or your dream house. You also want your family to be financially prepared and their needs and goals to be taken care of even if you are not around tomorrow. Canara HSBC presents a plan called iSelect Guaranteed Future that provides you with life insurance coverage to achieve financial stability and security for your family. Is this HSBC iSelect Guaranteed Future Plan a good option for your financial security? In this video, let us do a detailed analysis and review with this plan. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. Canara HSBC iSelect Guaranteed Future Plan is a non-linked, non-participating individual savings life insurance plan. The main features of the plan are life coverage throughout the policy term, single or limited premium payment, guaranteed maturity benefit and guaranteed income payouts, guaranteed additions accrue at the end of the policy year and tax benefit. Next, we shall look at the benefits we get under each plan option. Plan option 1, I Achieve and Flexi I Achieve. Pay for a limited period and get a guaranteed lump sum benefit at maturity to take care of your financial dreams and goals. Plan option 2, I Assure and Flexi I Assure. Pay for a limited period and get a guaranteed income post your premium payment term for your immediate financial needs along with a guaranteed lump sum benefit at maturity to take care of your financial dreams and goals. Plan option 3, Easy I Achieve. Pay once and get a guaranteed lump sum benefit at maturity to take care of your financial dreams and goals. Next, we shall analyze the advantages and disadvantages of Canara HSBC iSelect Guaranteed Future Plan. You can choose either survival benefit or maturity benefit or both. Higher premium additions expressed as a percentage is payable along with maturity or death benefit. Loan facility, tax benefit are added advantages. Disadvantages. The plan option once chosen cannot be changed after the inception of the policy. The sum assured is too low. The maturity benefit of this policy will not aid you in fulfilling your goals. Canara HSBC iSelect Guaranteed Future offers guaranteed benefits. If you pay premium regularly, you get the benefit in the form of regular income or final lump sum amount. With this given cash flow, we can easily calculate the internal rate of return. This calculation will guide you in decision making. A 35-year-old male opts for Flexi I Achieve under Canara HSBC iSelect Guaranteed Future Plan. The sum assured is 11 lakhs and the annualized premium is 1 lakh. The policy term is 15 years and the premium paying term is 10 years. He will be receiving the maturity benefit along with the additions at the end of 15 years provided all premiums are paid. Here in the illustration, if he pays annualized premium of 1 lakh for 10 years, he would be receiving a maturity benefit of 17.71 lakhs at the end of 15 years. The IRR for this cash flow is 5.48%. The IRR of 5.48% will not aid you in achieving the goals as this rate is less than the inflation rate. For a long-term investment, this rate is not beneficial for an investor. The benefits under Canara HSBC iSelect Guaranteed Future Plan are guaranteed amount, but the rate of return is not convincing for an investor, especially in the long run. So let us do a comparison now. Let us analyze what will be the return on investment if he invests the same premium in other instruments. The premium for a pure term policy for a sum assured of 11 lakhs would cost 7,200. The policy term is 15 years and the premium paying is 10 years. That is same as seen in the above illustration. Now you are left with 92,800 for investment. You can choose your investment based on your risk profile. Here we have chosen ELSS for equity and PPF for debt. PPF, it has a lock-in period of 15 years. Also, it requires a minimum contribution of rupees 500 per financial year. In the earlier illustration, the premium paying term is 10 years. So, in the last 5 years, a minimum contribution has been made to the PPF account and adjustments were made in the calculations accordingly. ELSS, investments are made in the initial 10 years and the final maturity is available at the end of 15 years. The proceeds are subject to capital gains tax. The tax calculation is also given here. The final maturity amount available under PPF instrument is 19.43 lakhs. The IRR for pure term insurance plus PPF is 6.83%. The final maturity amount available under ELSS investment is 32.14 lakhs. This is pre-tax value and the post-tax value is 29.95 lakhs. The IRR for pure term insurance premium plus ELSS is is 10.58%. This is post-tax return. So term insurance plus PPF or ELSS can give you both financial security as well as long-term return because it keeps the insurance and investment components separate. This analysis proves that these scenarios will provide an opportunity for wealth accumulation in the long run. The reason behind this is the rate of return under these scenarios is above the inflation rate. Here is our final verdict. The Canara HSBC iSelect Guaranteed Future Plan is an insurance and savings plan that combines the benefit of life insurance coverage with the potential for savings and guaranteed returns. Policyholders may have the option to customize the plan according to their financial needs and goals. They can customize the benefits either in the form of regular income or lump sum amount. All these benefits are guaranteed. These guaranteed benefits can provide a sense of security. But unfortunately, when we calculated the returns, the numbers were not satisfactory. For a long-term investment, the numbers should be higher than the inflation rate. The sum assured is also not adequate, but insurance agents will persuade you to buy these plans for their high agent commission. Please beware. You may consider pure term policy for your life cover. There you can provide financial security to your family. At the same time, you may need to invest separately for your life goals. Investment and life cover both are different agendas, and you cannot complete these two agendas with one action item. A detailed review of Canara HSBC iSelect Guaranteed Future is available as a blog post in our website, and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming Enlightening Investment Webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.